What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdie Gator. As promised you guys, I am here on the makeup aisle and wow, do we have a lot. We have the brand new display. You guys have probably seen this for about a month, but it's nice to see it just added with everything else. The full display of Ioni items. If you've been waiting to find this in your stores, it's probably coming soon if you haven't seen it yet. We have everything from primers to brows to lipsticks to little lip spa scrubs, tinted lip balms, eyeliners, all sorts of things. That's all by the Ioni brand, the same brand that makes the lashes. We have the nails by the brand 7 Nail. The chapstick Total Hydration is still here in Very Berry. Also the Wet n Wild lip scrub is here. Oh, this is the location that had all of the beauty blenders in the packages. They had other items that were packaged up as well. Some of them had like $3 and $4 price tags on them. We also have the K Beauty wipes in mango and also in orange. And another display. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this one. I've never seen the blue display. It's my first time seeing the blue display. We have a jade roller. We have eyelash curlers. It looks like a lot of the items are gone. Ioni tweezers. Oh, these are the lash tweezers. That's my first time ever seeing those. What else do we have down here? All sorts of brushes, brow and lash duo, compacts, blending brushes. We have more of the metallic foil liquid lips from Maybelline and the foundations. And then the Color Sensational lipsticks are here. We have a bunch of them. White gold, carnal brown, silkstone, deepest cherry, chocoholic, so many. And all the e.l.f. lippies. NYX is still here. The soft matte cream lipsticks from NYX. Vancouver, San Juan, Havana, Brave, Moscow, Extraordinary, and Fearless are here, as well as Passionate. Some of these are the Love Out Loud varieties, and some of the other ones are the lip creams. I do not suggest getting the jumbo lip pencils. I purchased 2 and could not get the cap off of either. So definitely pass on those. I mean, the product looks amazing, but you're not going to be able to get the cap off. Yeah, they just have so much over here. So much. We have some primers from LA Colors. I have a huge LA Colors haul that I need to share with you guys here really soon. A bunch of items that LA Colors sent me. The makeup sponge gourd. They're calling it the gourd. We have a huge variety of beauty blenders. I purchased this one for Birdy and put it in her stocking, and when this gets water in it, it gets huge. She says she really likes it. But all of these two-toned ones are back. I think she really loves hers. Black mask, a peel-off black mask. We also have gold, silver, and rose gold. And then these are still here. The hydrating 1-to-a-pack foot treatments. We have even more K-Beauty masks. I saw these in my other location. In the location that I call Dollry. Let's pick this one up. Blemish patches. charcoal nose strips. Look, you guys, 18 to a pack. Now, a lot of times we only see these offered like 4 to a pack. This is 18 to a pack. I'm gonna get a couple of those. We have Vaseline, we have Suave. These go for $18 each. The Borges Botanico eye compresses. Whoa, and look, you guys, we have Yardley hand soap. Oatmeal and almond. We have aloe and avocado. And we have shea butter. The Old Spice cleanser is still here. This goes for a lot more than $1.25 everywhere else. We also have the Bodycology hand cream. Lots of nice options in here, you guys. Lots of products that you would pay a lot more for everywhere else. Yes to Cucumbers is here this week. Also more K-Beauty. When I say K-Beauty, I mean Korean Beauty. Facial cleansing towelettes. Now, this is what I was telling you guys about. Look at this. 2 in a box compared to 18 in a box. I'm sticking with the 18, not the 2. And then we still have the Hall's Extra Strength Relief and the 3 packs, the little travel packs. I always like to look over here. We have Advil, only 2 to a pack though. Ibuprofen, 30 to a pack, 30 to the box. Lots of Hall's Relief. The most I'm seeing is 20 in a bag. A few varieties of Hall's. Ooh, look at this nice display. Peachy Keen Total Hydration by Chapstick. We also have Sugar Plum. We have Pretty in Pink. And we have Very Berry. That's probably the largest display of them that I've seen yet. All right, you guys, I just made it to this aisle, so definitely join me in the very next video. We're gonna see what's new on the hygiene and hair aisle, as well as we have like accessories here, hair items. Looks like we have some new hair accessories. So definitely come back to the very next video and we're gonna discover everything that's new here on this aisle. If you guys haven't yet, please consider subscribing and join the Bunny Birdie Gator family. Everyone is welcome. Well, hey, you guys, I'm off to film the next video for you. So definitely come back and see what's new. Bye, guys.